Okay, it's calendar time. Let's get started. Okay, today is Monday, May 18th. We already wrote in 16 and 17 for the weekend, so today is the 18th. Snowman head, snowman body. Okay, let's look at our calendar May weather tracker. And it is Monday, and the temperature is 72 degrees. That's what the temperature was last Monday. 72 degrees. And it's cloudy. I see no sun, just clouds. So I'm just going to draw some clouds. Kind of like our lion head. And I'm going to take my pencil and shade them sideways. Okay, so I have a cloudy day, so I'm going to go over here to our pie circle graph, and I'm going to color one more cloud. Okay, so I looked on the weather, and there is no rain, so I changed my raindrop into a sun, because our sun pie is finished. So change this into a sun, and we'll be ready on our next sunny day. Okay, so we need to turn to page or day 22. We're going to be doing day 22. We're going to start with subtraction. All right, let's start with subtraction. Fill in the missing numbers. So blank, take away 8 equals 7. So we haven't had one where the big number is missing. So what we have to do is put these two together to find out. So you're going to add those together. Going to add these two together to find that. And I'll put on our music. Okay, so I'm going to put 8 in my head and add 7 more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 has to go first. Remember when we subtract in our fact families, the large number goes first. Okay, now I'm going to put 4 in my head and add 5 more. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Done with that part. Moving over, we have antonyms. So antonyms means the opposite. Up, down, in, out. Synonyms are the same. Antonyms are opposites. So our words are cold, soft, and tall. I want you to think of the opposite. Give you some think time. Okay, so the opposite of something that's cold. If you're not cold, the opposite is hot. Very good, hot. Hot, hot. Okay, we have soft. Something is soft, my bed is soft. Or the opposite is hard. Very good, good job, hard. R, bossy R. A, R, D, hard. D at the end, hard. Okay, last one, tall. Gabriel Bess is very tall, and Mrs. Bess is short. Very good. Compared to Gabriel, I am short. Shh. Or, oh, another bossy R, O-R, short, short. Okay, that section's done. Gonna come over here to time. draw the hands on the clock to show 2 o'clock, and draw the hands on the clock to show 8:30. So when something ends with 00, remember the hands start at the top, and at 8:30 the large hand is at the bottom. I'll give you some Jeopardy time. Okay, 2 o'clock. So the 00 means that the minute hand, the long one, has to be straight up all the way onto the 12. Okay? And 2 means it's right at the 2. Remember, we put the dot right before it. Don't touch the 2, and then connect them to the middle there. So that's 2 o'clock. 8:30. 30 means the long hand, the minute hand, has to be all the way at the bottom on the 6. So we're going to draw it all the way down. We did this in our homework packet, this next week's. 8:30. So it's not 8 o'clock. You have to go between 8 and the next number, which is 9. So I'm going to put a dot right here. It has to go in the middle of 8 and 9, and then I draw my line. Okay, 8:30. Moving over, we have vowels. Write the vowel sound you hear for each picture. So I have nest, est, and sock. So we're only writing the vowel, not the whole word. Est, short E, So I'm going to write an E here. Now I'll show you, the word is nest. And the only vowel in nest is E. Now we have sock. Sock. Short vowel. Ah. What short vowel says ah? Oh, very good. Sock. I'll write it. You don't have to write it. Mrs. Bess is just showing you. And there's my short O. Ah. Okay, coming down, we have verb tense. So that means a verb can be hop, hopped, I did it yesterday, or hopping. I'm doing it right now. So we need to read the sentence and then pick the one that sounds correct in our ears. The rabbit blank in the yard. The rabbit hopped in the yard. The rabbit hopped in the yard. The rabbit hopping in the yard. Which one do you like? The rabbit hopped in the yard, the rabbit hopped in the yard, the rabbit hopping in the yard. Okay, so it is hopped. It can't be hopping because the rabbit, we'd have to have is hopping in the yard. When he hopped in the yard means he already did it, so hopped. Something he already did. We'd have to have is hopping, or the rabbit can hop in the yard would just be hop. So we have hopped. We're going to write number words. So this is a word, and you have to write it as a digit. A digit is the numbers, like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So this is 20, 16, and 11. 11. Starts with an E. So I want you to write those while I put on our Jeopardy think time. Okay, 20, a 2 and a 0, 16, a 1 and a 6, and 11, a 1 and a 1. Give yourself a star, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 23.